Okay, so let's have a look at the next part of what you're going to be doing in activity 4. So these are the 2 surveys that I already posted in the news a couple days ago. If you haven't had a chance to finish them, these are the links for you to actually take part. Let me just show you. It'll open up the Google form for you to complete and submit. So if you haven't done that, go ahead and do that. And then right beside it, you're going to see the link to the results. So I've had a friend, let's go back over here. I've had a friend test this, so it should work fine. So you're going to see the results page, and I see questions and results, but you should only see results. So if you click on responses, you're going to see how our class did with each of these questions. Okay. So there's lots of information here. Nobody's name is tied to it, but it is all here. Okay, so the other thing is there's going to be the second survey that you did. And just as similar, you will get a link. You should only see the responses. And people are just working on this one. So not as many people have done this one yet, but hopefully in the next day or so, we'll have some more results. And if there isn't a ton, you'll just have to do it based on what we do have. So right now there's only 4 responses, but you can see the questions and you can see how people responded to them. And if you want to double check what the question was, so least relevant was on the left and then most relevant. So that's the other thing that you need to think about with that. So what are you going to do then? We've worked through this together, and now we are on to the assignment part of this that will be submitted to the assignment box. So you can find it here, or you can find it here via activity 4. I will open that by the time I post this video. So if we open up this link, which I think I already have here, let's see what we've got to do for your assessment piece. So same directions, file, make a copy, throw it in your folder, and then when you're done, you're going to submit it to me via the Dropbox or the assignment Dropbox. So again, here are just those links. So they're in multiple places. And then you are going to use those results to answer the following questions. So how does social media influence us? Does it make us more social or more anxious? This is the important part. I want you to actually look at the statistics that you collected from each other in these forms, in these results, and use that as part of your answer below. So some people I've noticed in marking the first assignment are providing me with a 1-sentence response. That's not an appropriate level of participation in an assignment. So you need to spend some time on these things, and they shouldn't be 1 or 2 sentences. So you should be able to pull lots of different information from the survey and be able to use that as part of your results down here. Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing, answering those questions. When you're finished, you're going to put it in the assignment box for me. And it'll have the same name as this.